Do you want to tell them how old you are now?
No.
No.
But hi, my name is Wendell Habaluyas, and behind me is a 1980 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL 107 body with the AMG package.
What started your passion for cars?
My mom said that my first word was car, ahead of mom and ahead of dad. So I guess I was really born to be in this passion and this hobby, which also became my job.
Okay, when you say job, what specifically do you do?
We have a company called 1826 Motoring. We import vintage cars from the US. We started last September 2023. Behind me is one of the cars we imported for this year. It's a 43-year-old car. The requirements for the importation is that the car has to be at least 40 years old. One business is also called Level 10 Wheel Repair Specialist. We repair and restore wheels. We've been doing this in the country since 2012. I also have a Porsche Parts Express, which specializes with Porsche cars. Special orders for parts and accessories. Also for other brands, we can also cater. My favorite brand is Porsche. As a matter of fact, people ask me, how much do you like the brand, or are you really a fanatic of the brand? And I would like to say yes. Coincidentally, my wife's name is Porsche. Next boy's name is Speed, short for Speedster. Then we have Laura Cayenne. We have Celeste Carrera, Andres Taycan, and our bunso, Maria Panamera. I'd like to say my favorite Porsche model is a 911. Whatever year it is, whatever body it is. But today, what I have is a 1998 Porsche Boxster 986. All I remember was before I had the car, almost all the parts were already with me. So when the car came, it took me a couple of years to search for the perfect car that I wanted, for the perfect spec I wanted. I got it in 2019 and I finished the restoration after 4 years. What I really love about the brand Porsche is that it's a vehicle or it's a car that can be used every day, but with an extreme heritage and passion for motoring. It's practical.
Pero if I'm gonna ask you, ito ba practical?
I would like to say yes.
So if yung car mo can talk to you, anong masasabi mo sa'yo?
You're not practical. No, but seriously, yeah, I think because I've been in the industry, automotive industry since 1996. So this is my 28th year working with cars. I started really young, out of high school. I was 17, and I'm still at it. I'm already 45.
Okay, so that's 30, 40 years? 30 years?
28 years of
28
working
years.
with cars, yeah.
Wow, okay. So, when you're driving your favorite car, sabi mo kanina, it's a Porsche.
Yeah.
What's the watch that you usually wear? Favorite watch mo?
Okay, favorite watch is Rolex. Again, it has a pedigree, it has the heritage, but it's practical watch to own.
Any specific Rolex?
Well, today I'm wearing my Wimbledon in two-tone.
Okay.
Well, I love the Wimbledon because of the color. Green is my favorite color.
So, if you were to talk to the car enthusiast, yung generation ngayon, what advice can you give them if they want to attain those dreams?
My suggestion is that keep on pushing, keep on working. When I was in college in the 1990s, the Porsche Boxster 986 was first unveiled. I was in second year high school college and I said to myself, one day I will own a car like that. Took me some time to buy or to own it, But when I did, it took me also another 4 years to restore it. Basically, I would like to say that this is the most restored 986 in the world, extensively, because we took it apart. We put it in a rotisserie. We did everything. Everything's new with the car. The only thing left from the factory is probably the body, but even the roof, the interior, everything's changed. So even the decals on the gas cap is new. It was a meticulous restoration. Yeah. For vintage cars, I'd like to promote 1826 Motoring. You can look us at Instagram, 1826 Motoring. For your wheel repairs and restorations, you can look us up at Instagram at Level 10 Wheel Repair Specialist. And for your Porsche parts and other car parts needs, you can look us up at Porsche Parts Express.